So next one is number 3. One should not wear expensive clothing, for this bring a person to feeling of haughtiness. So I'm not sure, like maybe some brand names that the short is I don't know, like I don't know if it makes sense. Maybe $400 short. I don't know. It sounded like crazy stuff. One should also not wear very inferior, dirty clothing. That's also is a big issue, so that he is not be humiliated in the eyes of the others. Rather, he should have clean clothing of average quality. So whatever you buy from Macy's on sale, it's good. So one guy told me,
what's like dirty clothing, like if it's stained.
Yes, stain or smelly.
Smelly. Okay, so as long as it doesn't smell, it's like, okay. So I go to work. I work in a very like the environment where
it's dusty,
dirty, it's filthy. Yeah. Like I can't wear I don't.
No,
comfortable clothing. Like I wear sweatpants and I wear like a sweater.
Yes.
And sneakers.
Yes.
But when I go out anywhere else, like if I'm not working, then I dress up. Pants,
exactly.
So. Because I was worried, I was like, well, I'm going to work. Do I have to dress up for work? Everywhere I go, I have to dress up,
So I would say in this case, if you just wear the baseball hat or some hat. So don't wear, you keep wearing the sweatpants. There is no problem. I just
wear a hat. Okay, I got
baseball hat. There is no problem, right?
Okay, good.
So, okay, that's okay. So
there's a part of me also, like I'm wearing sweatpants and my TTs are out, and I'm like, I wear my baseball cap, but I'm like, wait, I feel like I'm being hiding my kippah, so I take off my baseball hat. No, I can wear my baseball hat, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
So maybe it's especially if you get your clothes stained and stuff like that, so it's not appropriate for a Jew to do. Okay. But on one hand, on another hand, there is no problem to do whatever you do.
Right.
You understand? So sometimes I do like a handiwork job. Right? And I have to paint. I have to deal with cement and stuff like that. Of course, I'm not going to go in my white short. Right. It's obvious. So I go in short, but it has some stains, so from a previous painting, right? Whatever, right?
So yeah.
So okay, but I don't go there with kippah. Okay. So I put first of all, kippah will fly off. Yeah, I have to bend this way, that. Okay.
So you put on a hat.
Yeah, that is a baseball cap. That's it.
Right. Okay.
So okay, so it's covered all base, and it's not that I'm trying to hide it, but maybe it's not going to be respectful, right? Because Jews don't. Okay, so don't provoke anybody. Okay. As a rule, one should be prepared to sell even the beams of his house, and use the funds to obtain funds obtained to buy shoes for his feet. So that's how important to be like shoes. When a person walks barefoot, especially in olden days. Today for us it's like shoes. It's not a big deal. Right, you buy shoes like from time to time, but in olden days, to get a pair of shoes, it was like a big investment. It's like lifetime investment. So you buy them and then you fix them, and then you pass to somebody else, and it's for generations basically. There is nothing more degrading, number 9, degrading than the walking barefoot in public. So, but just my own comment. So in the countries where there is no problem when everybody walking barefoot, so there is no problem. So one example I can give you. For example, when we learn Halachah, so it says, for example, in all of the Arab countries, right? They all over go like well, not all of them, but most of them, especially in olden days, they went barefoot in public. So, and according to some opinions, so a Jewish woman can walk barefoot in public in these countries because it's normal for them. It's not like okay.
Interesting. Okay.
Yeah. So, but today, of course, it does not apply, and it's not normal. So some like savages still walk in barefoot, but not so. So for a Jew, it says it's very clear. I mean, he's a little dramatic, but just to show us the point. That's Jew cannot just look like a bum.
Right.
It's not. It's a disrespect to our Father in heaven. That's it. So you're a representative of the Father in heaven.